Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Nubia RedMagic 11R, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in on the standard photo mode, however the mode doesn't really matter because we have to open general settings. To do that, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device like that to open more options, and here go to more settings. Now let's simply tap on reset, which is right here. And that was quick. We did not really have to, let me actually check it. We did not have to really confirm anything. The settings have been restored immediately, actually. You probably saw this this pop-out window with the information, with the permissions regarding the location, and that was our evidence that the reset option worked, because this is the first option that your device will show you, yes, after opening the camera for the very first time after the first initial configuration. So to sum up, we just successfully reset camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.